Welcome to Text University. Today, we'll navigate your profile menu in Text app, where you control your availability, theme, notification preferences, and access to key settings. Let's get started. To open your profile menu, click on your profile picture in the bottom left corner of the screen. This brings up your profile, where you'll see your name, email, and a set of quick toggles and tools. Here, you'll find a menu that gives you quick access to your workspace settings. You can choose whether you want to accept chats. Just toggle it on or off depending on your availability. You can also manage automatic ticket assignments, allowing tickets to be routed to you based on team settings and whether you're currently active. You'll find display preferences here too. Switch between the light, dark, or system themes to make your workspace feel just right. If you haven't downloaded the mobile app yet, you can grab it directly from this menu. Just click the Android or Apple icon and you're good to go. Want to stay in the loop? Turn on desktop notifications so you never miss a message or update. And if you need to manage your team, billing, or roles, organization and subscriptions takes you to your control panel. Finally, if you're new or want a refresher, you can launch a guided product tour anytime. It's everything you need, just a click away. Now, let's explore what happens when you click on your profile header at the top of the menu. This brings you to your full profile view, which has two tabs, General and Chat Settings. Here, you can edit your name, view your email address, change your password, check your roles and permissions, or request access to features. At the bottom, you'll also see your Two-Factor Authentication, 2FA status, to help keep your account secure. If you signed in via Google, Microsoft, Apple, or custom SSO, you'll find a reminder to ensure two-factor authentication is active. The second tab is your chat settings, where you can tailor how you handle conversations day to day. Here, you can set your concurrent chats limit, which defines how many live chats you can manage at once. It's a great way to stay focused without feeling overwhelmed. You can also decide what happens when you log in. You can start accepting chats right away, hold off until you're ready, or follow a working hours schedule set by your team, giving you full control over your availability the moment you start your shift. So that's your quick guide to the profile menu and settings in Text app. For more detailed help, head over to text.com and start a chat with our team. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.